All right. What's up, guys? It's Anthony Granero. Yeah, wanted to show you guys my CLI gem. So let's launch it. It's called Coffee Shop, I guess. Yeah, it's called the unofficial coffee shop. It'll welcome us properly here. But anyhow, just to explain, so it says hi and welcome to the unofficial coffee shop. Snoop around and learn about Starbucks' most delicious drinks and pastries. Populating a menu. So right now, what's occurring is a Nokogiri scrape of the Starbucks website. So it's an external place, and the scraper method that I have in this application running behind the scenes goes and actually gets all of that data and then creates Ruby objects out of it. And from there, I'm able to kind of craft this command line interface that we're looking at right now. So anyways, without further ado, it looks like we're done scraping. So we have two options. You can either go check out the coffees or pastries. So just for uniformity, let's start with the coffee, since that's how Ruby reads things also. From left to right. Okay, just kidding. Yeah, so see, we have a list of all of the coffees ordered and indexed. So this isn't where it stops. We actually can go a level deeper and find out some details about our favorite Starbucks drinks. So let's take a look. I don't know much about cold brew coffee, so let's choose 16 and see what's going on there. And see, now we have the drink's name again and some details explaining about the Starbucks cold brew coffee. So take a second to relish in that data. Oh, and of course there's some other stuff going on as well. I included the specific URL for these individual drinks. So if you want to pop over to starbucks.com and look at these yourself, get some pictures or whatever, you can do that too. So yeah, just a little bit more interaction. I attempted to kind of like insert a little bit of personality for my application. Kind of goofy. I was also playing around with timing because, as we'll see next time around, the timing of each line is different, and it reflects those silly comments. Okay. Yeah. So do we want another round? Let's let's do it. Yes, of course we do. In fact, let's try and break it. Okay, so it's asking me a yes or no question, but what I did just to see how my code, how robust my code is let's try and break it with something that's other than Y or N. And of course, yeah, I built in a little safety there. So if it's not specifically Y or N that the user inputs, it's not gonna work out. Okay, so let's talk to it. Let's say we do want to go again. Okay, so then we're back up to our coffee or pastries menu. So let's try pastries this time. And we have tons of pastries. 42 of those bad boys. And yeah, so we can take a look at any of these. My favorite was always the banana nut bread. I don't seem to see it much anymore, but we can see it now. So yeah, it's I think it was 4, 8. Oh, number lock. Okay, so there we go. We've got banana nut bread. It's got bananas, walnuts, and pecans in moist, nutty classic banana bread. There's the URL. Pretty cool, huh? Oh, you're still here, says the application. That's cool. It's got a mind of its own. I didn't do this. I just finished my 4th coffee. Do you like zebras? Oh, wait. Hey, did you want another round? We didn't get to look at that the first time, but that was the cheekiness that I was talking about. Anyway, yeah. So let's tell it. Let's tell it. Yes, we do want another round, but in this case, I'm going to play around with the coffee or pastries menu and see if it's robust. Also, I don't think I know what you mean. To view a menu of Starbucks adult coffees, hit the C key and then press enter. Or to excite the insulin-producing organelles in your body by way of overexposure to a sweet list of Starbucks pastries. If you really want to do that, yeah, enter the P key. Then hit the enter key. A little dumb. See, I don't know if I like how condescending this application has become. Might change that. Anyway, so. Yep, coffee or pastries. It knows if I try and tell it something other than coffee or pastries. I guess the other thing to show as far as functionality goes would be the attempts at making this section of the code robust also. So like if, for example, I select a number that isn't listed there, like it looks like we only have 18 coffees. So if I go, let me see 19. It doesn't have a 19. So got to enter a valid item number. And there's a little more of that cheekiness. Don't mind it. Repopulating the planet. Nope, just the list of coffees. Okay, so yeah, let's enter another one. Let's check out iced coffee. That's bland. I just randomly chose a number and it was the worst one. Okay, nah, don't worry about it though. All right, so let's get out of here. I think I've shown you guys everything. Yeah, I don't know how cool it is. I'm pretty excited about it myself, but you know, little website scraper. Built an application that can go to an external site, scrape some data from it, and then bring it back to Ruby land, and I guess like translate it into a form that I can like operate on with the Ruby language. That being nested hashes, but we don't have to talk too much about that. Yeah, so that's let's go ahead and answer this prompt. Oh wait, did you want another round? And no, I don't this time because the rudeness of the application is driving me batty. So let's tell it no. And we are now seeing the first glitch of my program. After it says, "Ah, really? Okay, thanks, bye," it's supposed to close. I don't know why it doesn't the first time, but the second time it does. Voila. So yeah, that's my that's my application. Scraping Starbucks.com. Thanks a lot, you guys, for checking it out.